Humans, what have you learned? I was programmed to beat you.
Hi New Here, magandang hapon or magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Today, inimitahan tayo ng CF Moto para sa kanilang unveiling ng pinakabagong tatlong units, which is the CF Moto 675 SR-R, 500 SR Boom, and yung pinakabagong scooter nila, which is the 150 SC. So, let's check it out. So, nandiyan yung units, nakataklo pa. Makikita natin maya-maya. Okay, so medyo nakalapit na pita tayo and ipapakita kung gano'n ako kalapit. So this is the, I assume it's the 675 SR-R, and then may dalawang scooter na yung 150 SC, and then sa dulo is yung 500 SR Boom.
Sam YG! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, good evening on a beautiful Monday evening. Make some noise, give yourselves a big round of applause for being here tonight as we launch, from CF Moto, not just one, not just two, but three fantastic bikes, and you guys are going to be, first to witness all these bikes from CF Moto. My name is Sam YG. I am going to be your host for tonight, and baka nagtataka kayo, bakit ako ang pinili na host, no? Nagtaka rin ako. Yung sinabi ni Camille and ni Joe, Sam, can you host the launch of our new bike? Sabi ko, bakit ako? No? I realized that one of the bikes is the 500, of course, SR Boom. Sabi ko, okay, so ano ngayon? Yung Boom, malapit sa Bombay. Diba? So sabi ko, pasok ako dito. So like I said, tonight is gonna be very, very special. Kayo ang makaka-witness ng three new bikes from CF Moto. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna kick this beautiful evening off with, of course, Mr. Emmanuel Wu to welcome us to this beautiful, beautiful event. Let's have him on stage as he will deliver his opening remarks.
Good evening, everyone. Distinguished guest, Senator JB. Good evening, Paul. Our friends from media, our dealers and friends, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, we are thrilled to have you with us to witness the unveiling of the three very special models that represents the whole new chapter in CF Moto's journey towards innovation and excellence.
6 years or so, right about there. And I used to say, actually in the videos that I do, I used to say that CF Moto used to be good for its price, right? Fair. But today it's a completely different story. They're great bikes, full stop, period. And they've really caught up with everybody else in such a short amount of time. So, congratulations to CF Moto and of course Moto Strada as well.
Pero bago yan, ano sa tingin mo, with all the pictures that you've seen, I guess, sa internet, and sa tingin mo, what is the bike that best suits your, alam mo na, yung paano, kung maniningil ka, gano'n, diba?
Welcome, of course, three brand new bikes from CF Moto. Grabe ang galing nila humila. Akinichi enjoying this. Sen JV enjoying this. Please welcome our 500 SR Boom. Of course, 675. SR-R and the 150 SC. Let's give them a big round of applause, guys. Ladies, thank you so much.
Solid, di ba? Ganda.
Etong seat sa likod, usable na.
Yes, this is a usable na pillion seat. Oh, and by the way, for those...
Asa Bombay, di ba?
for those who are, the seat height of this bike is 795 mm. So mababa siya. For all the ladies out there,
Ang sarap mangolekta.
So yeah, so that's the unique sound of the inline 4, di ba? Very familiar sound, di ba, sa mga inline 4. So that's it. Okay. So that's the 500 SR boom.
Yeah.
SRR.
675 SRR.
Now, the first thing I noticed are the blue wheels.
Is the first ever 675cc like 3-cylinder engine. So that's the first for CF Moto. So triple cylinder. So again, yung notes nito in terms of sound kakaiba rin. So totally different from the SR Boom. So
let's talk about safety.
yeah, of course. In terms of safety, it is also equipped with all just like the other bikes. It has the ABS, dual channel ABS. It has adjustable traction controls as well. So everything is fully adjustable. And when it comes to the braking system, as you can see, this is another unique feature of the 675 SRR. May ganyan brake cooling box.
Diba? Ano yung brake cooling na yan?
So, ano lang yan eh, it's a very simple technology. Ano ito, derived from MotoGP. As you can see on the screen doon, mas malinaw. So, it sucks in air. So, for
Higo?
Oo, sucks in. Etong bike na to, both bikes are already pre-installed with the T-Box. So, you don't need to buy it separately. So when we release it, and when you buy it and we release it, it has already the T-Box. So you don't need to buy it. So again, same features. So meron siyang OTA upgrades, and then you can connect to your GPS net. It has all the features and connectivity. It has the Type A and Type C
Type C.
So yeah, for all types of charging ports na meron to. Pakinggan ba natin? Okay. Ito exciting. This one is my favorite among all. So, let's gusto mo?
Pakinggan natin.
So, that is the triple cylinder for you. Diba?
And I love the display, I love the look.
Yeah.
Higher.
It's super. And then again, yung seat height 810. So again, it's not that high. It's also swappable. Kung gusto nyo tumaas, 835, 850, you can buy the optional seat to make the bike a little bit higher.
Also available.
Also available. As soon as this rolls out in our showroom, meron na tayo yan.
Kailangan natin naman kailan pa available ito.
Soon yan. So, are we ready for the price reveal? Okay, here we go. Let's count it off. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pesos 900. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Three bikes, 3 new models from CF Moto, pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your eyes on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, we promised 3 bikes, but we are delivering 4. Please welcome the 800 MTX. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on CF Moto's 800 MTX.
So ito pong dalawang kasama ko, naka 450 MT, and tuwan-tuwa sila sa nakita nilang 800 MTX.
And at this point, Gary. Everybody say yeah! Ang sinabi kong CF sa video, Moto, CF! CF! Yeah! Thanks, Mel! 800 MTX CF Moto. Tell us all about it.
Wow, I'm one of the blessed na individual na nakaunang
Experience.
Naka-experience.
Alam mo ba ikaw talaga nakauna mag-experience? Sabi ni Pino sa akin. Okay daw yun.
Paki, this is additional to the MP family. Meron tayong 800 MP Tourer Explorer. Ngayon, meron na tayong ADV Sport 800 MTX. Check it out, guys. Yan.
Alam mo, screen pa lang, the look.
Yes, alright. Di ba ang ABS, pag nag-predo tayo, pag nakaramda ng slide, papakawalan natin yung slow down yung motor. Ang cornering ABS, pag medyo overshoot ka, pag hinawa kami yung predo, hindi rin maglalak. Kasi habang naka-corner ka, hindi niya kailangan ilak yung front tire. So talagang smooth mo makukuha yung corner. So safety rin siya.
A big problem of a lot of bikers, di ba, is yung tire pressure.
Exactly. So, sa off-road kasi, pag nag-off-road kami, nagpapawas kami ng hangin. Pag nasa road kami, nagdadagdag din tayo ng hangin. Pareho itong mga nagpo-4x4. Pero ang kagandahan na itong motor na to is meron siyang tire pressure monitor. So, kita nyo, tire pressure monitor.
Nakikita mo na yung tire pressure front and back.
Yes, exactly. Makikita nyo yan dito sa 7-inch display natin.
There we go. Everything you need to know. Pero, ang tanong, magkano ang 800 MTX
Eto na.
ng CF Moto? Nasa cue cards, binabasa para sigurado hindi magkamali. Ako, baka may punto sa dealer na medyo...
Pero tingin ko, countdown din to eh, no?
Countdown. Here we go.
Eto na.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 900.
So yun nga po, these are the all new models ng CF Moto. Starting with the CF Moto 500 SR Boom. Ang pinakabagong scooter nila sa kanilang lineup is the 150SC. And then yung 675 SRR nandun. And then meron sila pa sorpresa, isang extra motorcycle which is the 800 MTX. Okay, so that's the new models ng CF Moto. Again, maraming salamat sa CF Moto sa pag-invite sa amin dito. Salamat kay Miss Camille, kay Miss Joan, and other staff of CF Moto. As well kay Direct Jolebs. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Again, this is Neo. As always, ride safe and see you on the road.